Just in case you didn't know, the more you like yourself, the less you'll care if others do.
Welcome to a new vlog. It is Monday the 15th of August today. I hope you enjoy this week's vlog. If you do, don't forget to hit the thumbs up down below because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to join my family. Hit the subscribe button and change that notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. So jumping straight in, it's hot here today. This weather's gone a bit crazy. It was like freezing cold yesterday, raining, and then today is like hot. And I am having a hot flush, so that would be why my face is so red, so please ignore it. Yeah, it's currently 1 p.m. in the afternoon right now. I've just been to the shops, just had to go and get some more like heat packs, and then I just picked up a few groceries as well. Yeah, so that's what I've done this morning. I did clean the house. I still need to finish folding washing from the weekend, but other than that, the house is pretty clean. I do have the cleaners coming in like half an hour, so the house will hopefully be nice and spotless after they've been. I do have Cairo this afternoon as well, but other than that, I just need to sit down and edit today's vlog. That's meant to go up because I haven't finished editing yet.
Stop asking people for likes and follows. Like and follow if you agree.
I need to feel something. Harry, can you tell me something that'll piss me off? Boba Fett's better than Mondo. Yep, that'll do it.
A little reminder while you're scrolling through your phone, you're awesome.
Hi guys, welcome to Thursday the 18th of August. I think it's been a few days since I've done a actual talking check-in. I'm just on my way to meet my friend for breakfast. Just having a quick catch-up. And I also need to take some items back that I brought Morgan. I got the wrong size, so I just need to take them back. I've had to order the correct size online because none of the stores in Perth has it in his size. So yeah, I didn't order online, and they told me just to take it back to any store and I can get a refund on it. So yeah, that's my morning today. I do need to film today, and then I will probably put my video up tomorrow instead of today like normal, just because I don't think I'm gonna have time to edit it and get it up. I mean, miracles happen, so it could happen. So I brought the puppies a little toy each. Evie still isn't playing with toys, so I've just given her a tray instead. But let me show you what I brought the other two. So for Oliver, I brought this little toucan. And then for Macy, I brought this little rainbow. The rainbow has squeakies in the clouds. Toucan has squeakies in the body. Yeah, just the body. But it has rope legs, so let me give it to them. Ollie, Ollie! Hey, come here. What is that? He's trying to climb over and see me. Hello, baby. You already have a Tweety. Hello, darling. Hello. Hello. Hey guys, welcome to Saturday the 20th of August. We are on our way to our friends, or where our friends live. Actually, we're getting a coffee first. We're getting a coffee first because it's a 2-hour drive. So we've been driving for half an hour to go get a coffee first.
That's half an hour.
Oh, does it? And then we will continue on to our friends and meet them, and then we're going off to a country show. So I will do a few entries of the show, but yeah, it's our friends that have the kids, so they'll probably make an appearance as well. But it's super early. I've been up since like 3 a.m. in the morning, done my makeup, had a shower, packed, Right now it is 8 degrees outside, so it's pretty cold, but thank God Morgan's got seat warmers in his nice new car. We're taking out his car for a drive.
Needs it.
Yeah, needs it because he's only using it like for work, so it's just, you know, always got the trailer and everything.
Mega heavy trailer.
Yes. So yeah, we're excited. Yesterday, I don't think I vlogged yesterday, but we had my car and the mother-in-law's car was cleaned by the car cleaning guy, and then that's the name of his actual business, by the way. I don't just call him the car cleaning guy, that's the name of his business. Yeah, it is. Yes.
Changed my business name to the guy that lays bricks.
The guy that lays bricks, yeah. So yeah, yesterday I just was getting everything at home like done, like doing the washing, the dishes, cooking dinner last night, cooking dog food for the weekend. Tina's looking after the dogs this weekend. She's at our place looking after them. We didn't want the dogs to get scared out in our friend's property because we're not going to be there, and it would be Oliver's first time, plus there's fireworks tonight, so I don't know how he would go with fireworks. He hasn't.
Bulldog freak.
Yeah, he's never been around fireworks yet, has he?
No.
Yeah, so we don't know what he would be like or anything. We know our two also get anxious. Our two, they're our three, but the two girls also get anxious, so he will probably as well. But yeah, I will do more check-ins throughout the day. Bye guys.
See ya.
Has anyone else noticed that when an adult child chooses to not have a relationship with a parent, it's always, but she's your mom, but he's your dad. You only have one dad, you only have one mom. And it's never, wow, what could a parent do to cause their child to make this decision? Or it's never, but they're your children. How could you treat your children that way? Why is it that the responsibility of the relationship is placed on the child and not the person that raised them?
45 this morning.
Mia! Mia, Jade! Turn the other lights on.
Oh, I didn't realize.
Look at it!